Blowing on it by myself. I'm by myself.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna just throw this into the video. I got a lot of work that I'm gonna be needing to do coming these next couple weeks in the garage, and the garage right now is looking a mess. So we went ahead and got this little cabinet thing, and I got a little workbench that we want to build to make the garage look a little bit more presentable, just that, so it's a lot easier to work in here. So we about to show y'all the before and the after when we done. What's good? So what's happening with y'all right now, because we about to go pick up something for the Civic. We about to go pick up front bumper support and that like foam piece that holds up the front bumper, because I've been missing that. If y'all stay tuned in since I did the 99 to 2000 conversion, y'all would have seen that my car doesn't have that, so my front bumper's been sagging, and we can go a lot lower in the front. It's just that the bumper sags. So I like a temporary fix, but I just found one. It's already off the car, so all I gotta do is go pick it up from this dude. So that's where we're about to head out right now, so let's go. So this is the front bumper support I ended up picking up off Facebook. As y'all can see, like the bumper sags. I can like freely move it up and down, so that's no good. Makes it like lower to the ground, even though my fitment is not even that good up front, and that's the reason why. So we're gonna go ahead and just install this front bumper support. That way I am able to go a lot lower in the front without having to worry about just dragging my front lip. So we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. We're gonna get back into the video because we got something for this right here. This is no longer gonna stay like this. We're gonna focus on the engine bay now, clean it up, make it safe. As y'all see, we got something pretty dope for this, bro. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe because I'm super excited for it. So you ain't gonna lie, it was a mission right now to get the Civic into the garage because of the driveway, but we got the garage a little bit more cleaned up, cabinet up, workbench, got this open space again to work on the Civic. And right now what we're about to do, before I go do what I need to do to start my day, I gotta remove these fronts and drop them off to my boy Adrian so he can flip them for me, because the inside of these, we almost missed the flip, bro. We almost missed the flip, but caught it just right on time as I was adding the front bumper support. I can see, boom, added that, made the bumper fitment so much better. So yeah, on both sides, I know my toe is a little bit off in the front just because when I was super low, my toe arms used to hit the frame, but I had to notch it. But now we don't gotta worry about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off these fronts and then head on to my boy Adrian so he can kind of flip those for me. Shout out my boy Adrian for being always clutch, my tire plug, all that. So let's do it. We got the grams off. Tell me how you catch the flip. Damn, bruh. Another week maybe, and this motherfucker would not have been flippable. But luckily we caught it just in time, and we better go get that flip. So yeah, let's go. Like that, got them loaded up. Anybody want to trade? Preferably 16s. These are 15 by 8 plus 35. Let me know. They just got powder coated silver. Looking for 16s. Real wheels only. Let me know. I'll add cash on top if there's something good. My boy Adrian just slid right now to drop out my grams. Premium service. Shout out my boy Adrian, bro. Love my boy. I'm finna put his tag right here. He's got a dope ass coupe that he's building. He just did a LS VTEC swap. Super clean, bro. Super dope ass whip. That's my day one, boy. But we got the Civic right here in the background. We just picked up something dope, but I gotta film another video for y'all first, so y'all had watched that video first. Something dope for the Civic engine bay, bro. But got the grams back, freshly flipped, because they was looking bad, bro. I ain't gonna lie, good thing I caught that flip. That was a good one. But yeah, we got the garage a little bit cleaned up. Coupe's gonna be here for a little bit. Maybe not. I'll probably throw wheels on, still drive it. I still need a lot of things, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe, bro. I'm almost close to getting monetized, bro. Let's get it going. Make sure y'all check out the brand. Y'all support it, bro, for the build. Y'all want to keep seeing this shit, so let's do it. This is how Civ is looking once again back in the garage. It hasn't been in here since we wrapped it, but we got something right here. Hold on. We got something new for the Civic, as y'all can see in the thumbnail. Max Speed Ross sponsored your boy. It is going like 4 months now. We were waiting for it to come back in stock. They want to send me some coilovers. I was like, yo, let's work on a turbo kit, because that's what's next on the Civic. We already wrapped it, got the whole new kit on. It's just missing something, bro. And it's missing a snail in here, bro. Look at this engine bay. I know, bro. I'm as disappointed as y'all. Car's hella clean from the outside, but engine bay is no bueno. Yeah, engine bay is not clean at all. Car was previously silver, but you know, single cam, but boosted single cam, you know, that's the way. Y'all fuck with the homies. My homie Gus's boosted Civic, and honestly, when I was cruising with him, I was sold, bro. I need it. Even if it is, I'm not aiming to be so fast or anything like that. Honestly, just for it being boosted, simple, you can hear the turbo, fun, bro. It's light car, like it's gonna complete it, you know. It looks nice, and it's gonna, you know, have a little turbo. Y'all can see we added some lighting in the garage finally. Yeah, but garage nowhere near done, but you know, we added some stuff. You know, it's looking better than it did. Got a place to work, but yeah, we're gonna add a turbo in here. And y'all stay tuned, but let me show y'all what I already opened it. I couldn't wait. I ain't gonna lie. I couldn't wait to look at the turbo, so I'm gonna go ahead and take piece by piece and unbox it for y'all right here on this workbench. So hold on. Let's get started on this unboxing. I've seen a big box, right? Let's see what's in it. All right, first off, let's see. Boom. Big black box. Boom. Shout out to them. Make sure this way. Yeah, fuck it. Make sure y'all use my code right here, EKRudy, 10% off the whole site. Appreciate them, you know, sponsoring me and, you know, on my journey on this YouTube shit. You know, it's gonna be a big next part of the build. So without further ado, let's see. Let's see. Looks like instruction manual. Oh, don't play with it. Looks like some gaskets, you know. But boom, this is what we've been waiting for right here. This is what we have been waiting for. This is my, damn. Let's see it. Spinny boy. Oh yeah, it spins pretty good. Needs a little bit of lubrication, but shit, for the most part, pretty dope. Hold side, the hot side. I'm not gonna open all the way because we're not gonna be installing it right now, so ain't no really point. But we got the turbo. I'm not even actually sure what size it is. I'll put a link in the description so y'all could tap in and see exactly, you know, what size and everything that also comes with the kit. If you guys are interested in getting the same kit for your single jingle box. Assuming it is a bunch of gaskets, T-fittings, bunch of clamps. Oh, I think this is the blow valve. Yep, this is the blow valve that they sent over. Oh yes, they're brand too. This is that's a pretty strong ass spring, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see moving in there, but yeah, got the blowout valve, like a fitting, I guess you will. This got some line. Boom. I'll put this back in the bag. Alright, we're gonna put that to the side. On to the next thing. Right here. Gaskets. Some sort of instructions or diagram, I'd say. Let's see. Damn. Got a bunch of fittings, I guess. Maybe for the charge pipe. I think this is a wastegate. Man, this motherfucker kind of heavy. Is it a wastegate? Yeah, I believe so. Yep. Also, my boom. Honestly, bro, everything seems. Damn, this motherfucker's. I don't know, but still kind of springs in here, but everything seems super high quality, to be honest. I don't know what y'all be saying, but what y'all think looks pretty good to me. Super new to this whole like performance thing, I'm not gonna lie. So this is gonna be a learning journey for myself, and I hope y'all stay tuned in. to watch me on my journey, because we're all gonna be learning here. So I mean, most of y'all may be professionals, maybe y'all already have boosted coupes, but I don't. So stay tuned, watch me try to build my own. Let's see. I think this is a boost controller, if I'm not mistaken. Boost controller, PSI right there, or fuel pressure regulator. No, I think it's a boost controller. Bunch of brackets, clamps, hose. Comes with hose. I'm pretty sure everything you need to set it up. Super clutch, super clutch. With that, let's see what's next. Okay, this is everything. I think all the lines you need, gaskets, fittings, hose and lines. Yup, it's everything. Literally everything that y'all need, bruh. And a real JDM, bruh, no cut. You know, bunch of hose, lines, fittings. So I'm super excited. They sent out everything, literally almost everything. Let's see, you got a longer box here. Let's see what this is. This is, oh, the manifold. I'm gonna actually open this one. I don't want to see this. Let's see. The actual manifold itself. I wonder if we're gonna be able to sell in air conditioning with this type of manifold. If not, we'll get a different one. I think this is a cast manifold. I believe so, but it's a, what is this shit called? I don't know. My slow ass. But yeah, boom. The manifold for the actual turbo itself. We got that. Looks pretty good to me. Second to last box, let's see. We got a bunch of hose, fancy hose. We got some brackets, cams, some bolts, some hardware. I think this might be a catch cam. Let me see. Oh, it's a Cusco catch cam. Bro, let me find out. Cusco? Y'all let me know. Honestly, the only thing I know about Cusco when I used to go to Kaiju Motorsports is they sell a lot of Cusco products, and a lot of Subi guys run Cusco. Not just Subi guys, I'm saying, but just in general, where I've seen this brand before, Cusco. So honestly, this is super high quality. Oil catch cam, you can see right here. Pretty dope. I fuck with this. With all the lines and hoses and everything like that. Dang, bro. We got plugged up. And then at least this big ass box, I don't even think y'all can see. Let's put you on 0.5. Alright. Oh damn, I should have been filming in that. Alright. We got this big ass box. And right here we have, we got the actual intercooler itself. Boom. The actual intercooler itself. So they basically sent me out a whole turbo kit. Shout out to them. Make sure you guys use my code EKRudy. I'm finna put it up somewhere right here. Y'all make sure y'all tap in. Y'all make sure y'all go support the brand, because we still need a couple parts for this. See? Bro, it's a big haul right here. Big shout out to Max Speed and Runs once again. Make sure you guys use my code and stay tuned for the build. This motherfucker is not gonna be NA no more. Look at this. Garbage. But when we have that turbo right there with that hood exit, like my boy EK Johnny, finna be big outside. But y'all seen probably in before clips, I got this beam, crash beam. I didn't have one before, as y'all see when I did the conversion. So I got this to help my bumper fitment and also to be able to mount the intercooler. Let's see if I can get someone to film me real quick, holding it up real quick. Let's see if y'all can even see. Don't be mounted like this, something like that on the top. That way it's not super low to the ground. But dude, this looks, honestly, dude, who the hell does not want a boosted Civic, bro? With the laptop inside and everything. Y'all already see my boy Gus's. I just dropped that video with his pretty fast Civic. So it's my turn. And I know y'all want to see it. This is the type of content I want to see. This is how y'all know I'm really trying to do this YouTube shit and this content stuff, because like, bruh, I just dropped the Civic. I'm giving y'all good content. I'm grinding these videos off for y'all. We bought a booster coupe. We did. Bro, shout out to this, but we still need a couple parts. If y'all got any advice on boosting a single cam, y'all let me know, because it'd be greatly appreciated. I know I still need intercooler piping, I need injectors, and I need an ECU and fuel pressure regulator. So
we gonna still gather those parts. So probably be a while until we actually add the kit, because I'm trying to piece everything together before we just go ahead and start taking things apart. Other than that, y'all make sure y'all follow the brand. By the time I post this video, the site's gonna be live again with a couple new stickers and stuff like that. Anything helps out. Y'all fuck with me, and you know, I'm gonna give y'all better content and everything like that. Everything. Boom. This is the haul. Workbench already filled up. Got everything we need. It's gonna be soon when we're gonna start this. We're gonna start this very soon. I'm super excited. Like y'all know, we get shit done around here. We get shit done. I've never done something like this before, so it's gonna be the first, but I ain't scared to try, and I know we'll succeed. We didn't know how to wrap the car. We wrapped the car. So with everything that we've done to this car, I started with not knowing. So it's been a whole journey. So finally gonna boost the coupe. I know y'all fucking with that content. It's gonna be a bunch of videos. Y'all stay tuned. And then I got another surprise for y'all. It's gonna be a next video. Y'all stay tuned. But y'all know what I'm saying. Cooked up a little something. You know, I ain't gonna talk too much about it, but yeah, other than that, appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.